Hello dear students, once again welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, here I am back with my another video. In my previous video, I have already explained some exercises of chapter number 4. So now it's your exercise part 2 videos. Okay student, so let's start the video. First of all, you have all check out your Tune into Grammar book and student open chapter 4, that is describing word. Open page number 24. Student, in last video we have completed the given exercise A and B. Okay, so now today's video we're moving to the next. There is a next exercise which is given on the page number 24, that is fill in the blanks with words from the box one has done for you. Dear student, here is again fill in the blanks for you. So you have to fill the given blanks, choose the word from the box that is given in the box, and here is a one has been done for you. So student, you have to do the next. So in number 1, as you can see at your screen, that once upon a time there lived a brave king. Okay student, in number 1 on the given blanks the correct word is brave. Okay, so student, once upon a time there lived a brave king. Now you have to do the next because one has been already done, so you have to do the next. So second student, one has been already done, so you have to do the next, that is second. He lived in dash palace. So student, what will be right on the given blanks? So dear student, we have to choose the word from the box. So here is the given word. Words are big, beautiful, smart, little, pretty. Brave is already have written, so we don't choose this given word. So student, after that next word is stormy, young, feather, sleepless, and hard and real. So student, which word we have to choose? So the palace is big. We have to write on the given blanks big, that is given in first. So what the spelling of big? So we have to write B-I-G, big. He lived in a big palace. Okay, now the next is he married a dash princess. Student, he married a dash princess. So we have to write here beautiful. He married a beautiful princess. What the spelling of beautiful? So the spelling of beautiful is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So student, he married a beautiful princess. Now the next is she gave birth to a dash boy. So dear student, tell me what will be right on the given blanks. So in number 4, she gave birth to a dash boy. So we have to write on the given blanks little. Okay, and the spelling of little is given in the box, that is L-I-T-T-L-E, little. So we have to write little on the given blanks. So tell me what the spelling of little? The spelling of little is L-I-T-T-L-E, little. She gave birth to a little boy. Now the next, number 5. In number 5, the dash prince grew up fast. Student, we have to write on the given blanks young. Okay, the young prince grew up fast. What the spelling of young? Y-O-U-N-G, young. Okay, now the next is number 6. He wanted to marry a dash princess. He wanted to marry a dash princess. So we have to write on the given blanks real. Okay, what the spelling of real? So spelling of real is R-E-A-L, real. He wanted to marry a real princess. Now the next 7th is one dash night a dash girl came to the palace. So student, there is a 2 blanks. So in first blank we have to write stormy. Okay, we have to write stormy in a first blank. What this spelling of stormy? So it is S-T-O-R-M-Y, stormy. Okay, and one stormy night a dash girl came to the palace. So on the next we have to write pretty. A pretty girl came to the palace. What the spelling of pretty? P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Okay student, so like this we have to complete number 7. Now moving to the next number, that is number 8. In number 8, the queen gave her a dash mattress to sleep on. So student, tell me what will be write on the given blanks? We have to write on the given blanks feather. Okay, we have to write feather. What the spelling of feather? The spelling of feather is F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. The queen gave her a feather mattress to sleep on. Okay, now moving to the next, number 9, which is given on the page number 25. There is a number 9. The girl had a dash night. The girl had a dash night. So we have to write on the given blank sleepless. Okay, sleepless. What the spelling of sleepless? The spelling of sleepless is S-L-E-E-P-L-E-S-S. Sleepless. Okay. Now number 10. It was a dash bed, so she could not sleep. So student, on the blank we have to write hard. Okay. It was a hard bed, so she could not sleep. Now the next. The last one is number 11. The queen knew she was a dash princess. The queen knew she was a dash princess. So on the blank we have to write smart. The queen knew she was a smart princess. What is the spelling of smart? S-M-A-R-T, smart. Okay student. So like this you have to complete this given exercise B, fill in the blanks. Okay student. Now moving to the next. So there is a next very important topic for you. It's a very important topic, so you have to read it. Okay, so student, look at these pictures carefully. Student, here is a very useful information for you, that you have to learn about the opposite words. Student, before this you have to learn about the describing words and also solve exercises of describing words. Now moving to the next, that is opposite. So dear student, do you know about the opposite? What is opposite? Have you know that? Student, there is a question, what is an opposite? So we can say that an opposite is when two words contradict each other. Student, what is an opposite? So an opposite is when two words contradict each other. For example, you can see here, there is a first is a fat boy. A fat boy. So here is the given word fat and its opposite is thin. Okay. In first there is a fat boy and another is a thin boy. So the opposite of fat is thin. Now the next, a tall girl. So we can see in opposite word a short girl. The opposite of tall is short. Now the next, an old man. So student, the opposite of old is young. A young man. Now the next, these pictures tell you that most describing words have opposites. These pictures tell you that most describing words have opposites. Let's learn more examples. There is the opposite of big is small. As we all know that opposite of big is small. As you can see, the elephant is big and the rat is small. Okay student. So let us learn more examples of opposite words. So there is a first is describing words and there is next is opposite. Okay. There is two column, one for describing words that we learn in this chapter. Now the next is opposite of this describing word. So student, there is a first is good. And what the opposite of good? We all know very well. The opposite of good is bad. Now the next is big. So small. Cool, warm. Blunt, sharp. Hot, cold. Next, there is many more examples of opposite. So there is easy, difficult. Empty, full. Fast, slow. Hard, soft. light, dark. Okay student, so these are the examples of opposite word. Okay, one more time we going to read this given examples. So first is good, bad, big, small, cool, warm, blunt, sharp, hot, cold, easy, difficult, empty, full, fast, slow, hard, soft, light, dark. So student, you have to learn this given examples. Okay, now the next stage, according to this opposite, you have to solve the given exercise. So there is a match this describing words with their opposites. Match this describing words with their opposites that we learned. Okay student, so there is a first is cheap. There is a first describing word is cheap, and you have to match with their opposites. So tell me what the opposite of cheap. So the opposite of cheap is costly. Okay, the opposite of cheap is costly, which is given in option number E. So we have to match with E. Okay students, so we have to match number 1 with E. Now the next describing word is in. So the opposite of in is out. So we have to match with H. Okay. Third is open. Third describing word is open. So we have to match with their opposite, that is close. The opposite of open is close. Now the next fourth is wide, and the opposite of wide is narrow. Now the next cool. Number 5 is cool, and opposite of cool is warm. So we have to match with C. Now 6 is weak. So student, tell me what the opposite of weak. The opposite of weak is strong. So we have to match with A. Okay. Number 7 is sell. Okay. Number 7 is the 7 describing word is sell. So we have to match with I, that is buy. Okay. Now the next is 8. In number 8 there is a describing word first. So the opposite of first is last. Okay, so we have to match with G. Now the next is number 9, black. So student, tell me what the opposite of black. So the opposite of black is white. So we have to match with F. Okay. Now the next is right. Student, tell me what the opposite of right. So the opposite of right is wrong. So we have to match with D. So like this we have to complete the matching work of describing words to their opposites. Okay student, so like this you have also complete this exercise. So dear student, your today's homework is you have to learn 10 or 20 opposite words. Okay, you have to learn 10 or 20 opposite words, and you may also write this in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, I hope you all will be understood that what is describing word and what is opposite word. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.